So today is a weird one. It's a weird one today. Thank you so much for joining my channel. This is Rocky. I am trying to film my Fable Friday in between doing all kinds of stuff. And it's been a rocky week. I've been trying to play catch up first and foremost. But I wanted to get you caught up on what's going on with me. One, my plants are dying. I felt like I was being so successful, but it turns out that's not the case. My plant that had flowers on it, I forget, it was a succulent, I can't remember the name of it, but it had flowers on it. I tried everything to save it, decided to move it outside. Maybe it wasn't getting enough sunlight and the elements, and it's done. I mean, done. And then I also have a curly jade that is just, I don't know what's wrong with it. It's like literally falling apart to the touch. I tried to move the location, try to do, I don't know, I've tried a few things, tips that I've seen online, but it's dying more and more. I put it in direct sunlight because I think it should have had sunlight all to begin with. But I'm about to head to Zumba class, by the way, so you can probably see them out there. But so I don't know what to do about the jade, so I think it's going to end up dying, and that's that. The others are fine. The ZZ plant, the Christmas cactus, and the snake plant are doing okay. My Aerogarden, on the other hand, has just overrun my kitchen. I can't even keep up with it. I'm going to try my best to transfer it to outdoors. I was told to start with maybe dirty water, muddy water, because it's used to be directly in water, and then gradually move it up to being in dirt. We'll see if I have the patience enough to do that. The other thing that's going on here is I've somehow, some way reignited the rash that was underneath my arms. So I've really realized that I don't even need deodorant. I'm not that type of person that gets funky like that or moist like that. Only time I would probably need it is working out, and it's still not smelly or anything like that. So I think I'm just gonna give up on deodorant altogether. Because just when I thought I was good, I shaved again and I started to use my natural deodorant again. I got another rash, and this time it was worse than the first time. It was so painful. So, ain't doing that. The other update is that I've decided to focus more on self-care, being better to myself than I have been in the past. I have a bunch of PTO time, that's paid time off, and I've in the past never used it. I've gone years without taking time off. Not doing that again. There's no reward for not taking time off. There's no bonus for not taking time off. So I've decided that I'm going to take 1 day per month off and just do whatever I want to do. 1 Friday per month. It's going to be the second Friday in every month. I'm taking the day off. I don't care. Well, no, I don't care what's going on. Obviously, if it's something big, I can't just ditch it. But my goal is at the second Friday of every month, take a day off. So my arm is getting tired. So anyway, that being said, I'm just focused on self-care. So starting to work out again. Like I told you, I'm missing Zumba talking to you guys, but I'm in my Zumba gear. It says Hecho in Chicago, and that's what I'm wearing. What else is there? I feel like there was something else I needed to. Oh, the biggest thing I needed to tell you. Woke up this morning, car stolen. This is exactly why I'm moving away from where I live. Car flat out done, stolen, gone. It's not even, it wasn't even a foul play, brute force entry. It's a smart kind of stealing where they have a contraption that's programmed to steal your car, because it's a push to start. It's a newer car, and stole the friggin' car. So got to deal with that stuff. So I'm so over it. I am so over it. And I shared with you guys that maybe 3 years ago I was burglarized, and I'm just so over it. So anyway, I think I'm going to wrap it up here. Again, like I said, it's a really quick one. I got to head in to get my workout in. I'll have more updates for next Friday. Again, thank you to everybody who participated in the drawing for the 1,000 subscriber. Yeah, I'm going to be dancing too. And I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.